Written. Okay. So let's start the first topic. Now you have to use the simple present and present continuous in these questions, all right, which I'm sending you right away. Every Monday, Sally drive, there is a slash, I mean, there is a dash, all right, her kids to football practice. In only present simple and present continuous tense.
Who is joined by the name of Redmi 5Q Com BTD. Guys, please rename yourself so that trainer can easily recognize your name. Who is V2027? Charu, from where this sound is coming?
My side, no? My computer makes it now when I paste something.
Ma'am, I am writing only answer or total answer plus question.
Done, everybody? Done? Okay, Vaishali is done, right? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
All right, here are some questions again. Do it. Decide if the verb in the bracket should be in the present form or should be in the present continuous form. Just what? Why I can't write here again?
Good evening, ma'am.
All right. I'm not able to write. I don't know why. Write the questions. He dash bracket live bracket close with his parents at the moment.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
He dash
Yes.
it live with his parents at the moment. But why not here? Why? Written. Second question. Some areas of Italy dash drier.
Some area. Actually,
Ma'am, some India
Some area,
area
area.
of
some areas of Italy dash in bracket it's become drier. DRIER. Okay. Next is she dash work as a lab technician. So work has to be in bracket. She dash work as a lab technician.
Ma'am, previous question, what is in bracket? Some areas of Italy.
Become is in bracket.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Become is in bracket. Margaret, are you there?
Yes, Charu. Tell me.
I am not able to send any. Okay, now I am able to. Okay, fine. Here, questions are on the chat box. You just need to put the correct form of present or present continuous tense.
Ma'am, we have to write whole passage or only answers? In the passage question.
Hmm.
Hello, anyone hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Sir, today is my first class. I am Prashant Kumar Sinha.
Yes, who has joined first time today?
Ma'am, Prashant Kumar Sinha. At the name so is Redmi.
Okay. Prashant, can you please rename yourself? No worries.
Ma'am, Prashant.
If in case today is your first class, you can just attend the session.
Oh,
And
okay,
if you
ma'am.
find any difficulty, your trainer is here. Her name is Charu.
Okay,
You can
ma'am.
ask any question.
Ma'am, she is live.
What's on?
Yes, she is live.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
What to do with live or something?
Actually, he is new. Prashant is new in your batch. Today is
Yes,
first
ma'am.
day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Prashant, Charu is live with you. You can ask any question from Charu if you have faced any difficulty while going through the session.
Okay, ma'am.
Arun, tell me, I have read all questions and I can solve almost. So we have to write or we have to
Of
speak.
course, we have to write.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Apsara.
Ma'am, I'm having difficulty with the last portion. Actually, this is my second day, so I'm having difficulty.
Okay, when we'll discuss, just let me know the difficulties, right? I'll start discussing the answers by 8:15. Okay. Hurry up till then. Hurry up. Oh my God.
ये छोड़ा था यहाँ लो ये कहाँ छोड़ा कौन अच्छा वो
All right, 3 minutes. Okay. Let's start. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What is the answer for first? Every Monday, Sally dash her kids to football practice.
Drives.
Drives. Drives is the right answer. Mark yourself 1. Okay. Usually I dash as a secretary at ABT, but this summer I dash French at a language school in Paris. That is why I'm in Paris.
I am
Usually I
Work.
work as a secretary.
I work,
Kabhi
yes, ma'am.
kabhi, yes. Usually I work
as
as a secretary
secretary at ABT,
Mhm.
but this summer I am studying French at a language school in Paris.
I am is studying. No,
I am studying.
I am studying because I am के साथ is कैसे आ सकता है? I am is the only.
Sorry. हाँ, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hmm.
Shush, be quiet. John dash
Sleeping.
is
John is sleeping.
very good. Okay. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It dash
Is
It is
ready.
raining.
Is raining.
Don't forget to take your umbrella. It dash.
Ran.
It is
Is
raining.
raining.
It's raining.
Okay. It might rain if I say, okay. So that answer is acceptable, but I am saying that don't forget to take your umbrella, dash, it dash. So it is raining. For all who all are with it is raining.
No, ma'am, it rains.
It
बारिश
rains.
It rains.
It may be raining.
It may rain. May be raining.
It may be raining.
Take your time, think about it. Take 1 minute's time, think about it. Look at the sentence, look at your answer, connect yourself with the question, answer it positively, please. Take your time. I'm not in rush. So just take your time, think about it. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It dash.
Is raining, ma'am.
Are you sure it's raining?
Rains, maybe.
It rains.
There is no room for maybe. It has to be something, it has to be nothing. Choice is yours. It has to be something or it has to be nothing. Choice is yours.
It's raining.
Mm-hmm.
It's raining.
Who all are with it is raining? Please tell me. Shubhangi, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am, because action is given in the question. That's why.
So what?
Don't forget to take your umbrella. It is raining.
So it
We
might
can.
rain. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It might rain. It is raining.
Might
is the
rain.
right answer. Okay. I just wanted to know the confidence. He
Ma'am,
asked, are you sure with the confidence? But you're not. Hanji.
it rains. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It rains. It's correct.
आप इसके साथ इतना प्यार क्यों करते हो? आप तो पहले ये बताओ मुझे. It is. आपने बोला it's भी बोला अगर it's rain. Okay.
No, ma'am. It rains.
It rains क्यों होगा? क्यों होगा it rains? Don't
Sir,
forget to
when
take.
we
आप अपना umbrella
umbrella
मत भूलो. बारिश हो रही है. So बारिश होके बंद नहीं हुई. बारिश हो रही है. It's continue. The rain is on. Yeah. So it is raining.
Raining. Okay.
Confidence लाओ अपने answers में, guys. Come on. Okay. I hate living in Seattle because it dash.
It's always rains.
It
Always rains.
reverse it. It rains always. Okay. अब always क्यों? Because पहले बारिश होती है हमेशा. हमेशा बारिश होती है. Doesn't make any sense. Okay. I hate living in. अब यहाँ पे because it rains क्यों आया? Because यहाँ पे हम present continuous नहीं लगा सकते. Rain cannot, it cannot pour 12 months, 24 hours, right? 12 महीने 24 घंटा. You cannot see rain. Okay, so it rains always. Coming on, I am sorry, I can't hear what you dash because everybody dash so loudly.
You are saying everybody is
Sorry, I'm sorry, I can't hear
Are saying.
what you are saying. Absolutely correct, because everybody
is talking.
here. I am sorry, I can't hear what you are saying because everybody is talking so loudly. No, everybody talks so loudly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Talks so loudly because that's what the nature of the atmosphere is, that everyone here talks. Okay, that's the nature of the situation right now. Moving on. Justin dash a book about his adventures in Tibet. I hope he can find a good publisher when he is finished. So
Is writing.
you have to use right and currently to all together. Use wisely.
Justin writes currently.
Is currently writing.
Justin is currently writing or Justin currently. Currently will come first क्योंकि वो situation अभी की है, right? So currently, Justin currently is writing a book about his adventures in Tibet. Okay. Jim, do you want to come over for dinner tonight? Denies. Oh, I am sorry, I can't. I dash to a movie tonight with some friends.
I am going.
I'm going.
I went to.
Going.
Why I went to?
I'm going.
Flight की बात हो रही है.
I
Oh,
am
sorry.
going, man.
Yes, I am going to a movie.
To a movie.
Right. Okay, this is a little tricky, guys. The business cards dash printed by a company in New York. Their prices be dash inexpensive, yet the quality of their work is quite good. So, what is the answer? The business cards
Is
Are
being
being normally.
are being
Are
normally
being.
printed. Are being normally printed.
Are being.
Are being normally printed.
are being normally printed. Okay.
By a company.
Their prices
Their prices
Are being
are inexpensive.
are being inexpensive.
are being
they are being inexpensive, yet the quality of their work is quite good. So, okay, their prices being inexpensive. शुरू से लेकर अब तक जो उनका ग्राफ प्राइसेस का चल रहा है, इट्स नॉट दैट कॉस्टली. ओके, अभी उन्होंने प्राइसेस कम नहीं करे हैं, उनके प्राइसेस स्टार्टिंग से कम थे. सो बीइंग BEING inexpensive, R यहाँ पे नहीं लगेगा. ओके. This delicious chocolate dash made by a small chocolatier in Zurich, Switzerland.
Ma'am, their price be inexpensive होगा बस. Clear. Okay.
Yes. Next is this delicious chocolate dash.
Chocolate.
What
Is
is the
being made
answer?
by.
Huh?
Is made by.
Is being made.
Is being.
Very correct. Is
being made.
made by a small chocolatier in Zurich. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, he dash. Okay, what is the answer? He dash with his parents.
He lives.
Is living. Is living.
He is living.
Living. At the moment clearly hai. So he is living with his
Yes,
parents
ma'am.
At the moment.
Is living.
at the moment. Very good. Second, some areas of Italy.
One minute, ma'am. He lives आएगा ना?
क्यों आएगा he lives?
क्योंकि
At
वो
the
अपने
moment भी तो है ना
मम्मी पापा के साथ
expression.
रहता है.
At the moment. He is
At the
living in.
moment वो रहता भी तो ये थोड़ी ना जरूरी है कि हम के रहता ही है, रह रहा है.
At the moment, I am living in India currently. I am living in India at the moment. मैं अभी भी यहाँ रह रही हूँ. At the moment आ गया वो expression. That is why we will be putting present continuous. I am studying at the moment. I study at the moment बोल सकते हो आप?
नहीं.
Can you say I study at the moment? Can you say he lives at the moment? Can you say this? वो तो continuation में चल रहा है ना. मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. मैंने पढ़ाई I studied. So he is living with his parents at the moment. अभी वो क्या कर रहा है? वो उनके साथ रह रहा है. That is why it's going to be present continuous tense. Second. Some areas of Italy dash drier.
Becomes
Come on.
Is becoming.
Are becoming.
Are becoming. Yes.
Are becoming.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
absolutely correct. Are becoming drier. Okay.
Are becoming.
Because areas hai. Areas automatically coming into plural form.
The
So
form.
अब at least को मैं at least तो नहीं कर सकती. I cannot change the proper into plural form, right? So are becoming dryer. Moving on, she
She is
dash
working.
as a lab technician.
She is working as a lab technician.
She works.
Work.
She works. Yes, ma'am. She works.
She works. Works.
Lab.
She works as a lab technician.
Yes.
ये भैया
Dash
हमारी
she dash to plan for a degree.
she is
Is
planning.
planning.
Is planning.
Okay. I dash have got two sisters. Sorry, I
Have got.
I have two sisters.
have got two sisters.
Roosters.
Yes. In her job, she dashed the
Very
phone.
good.
In her
Answer.
job,
Answers.
Answers. Answers.
very well. Answer.
Is answer.
Dash longer and longer.
Are living.
Live.
Live.
Please give me a second. Okay. What were you people dash are living? Very good. This month they dash on a new project.
Are working.
Are working.
They are working.
They are working on the new project. Very well. Now the second question comes with two stories. Okay, the second question comes with two stories where you have to suitably fit in the past simple or past continuous tense. Okay, so I will read the story. You answer me the question. I mean, you answer me the wherever there is a blank. It was a hot, so I
Decided
Decided.
prepare salad.
for lunch.
Decided to prepare salad for lunch. Outside, the children
Were
Was
playing.
playing.
Were playing.
children already plural hai, so were playing
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
garden.
In the garden. Suddenly, I heard a loud noise followed by a scream. I ran outside to see what happened.
What was happening? What was
Was happening.
Was happening.
कल बाहर एक music
I,
class
ma'am.
हो रहा था. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am,
yes.
please clear again. I have got two sisters. Is correct.
I have got two sisters. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Story 2. Coming on to story 2. On my first day at work, I was a bit nervous. I dash up early.
I got up.
Got up.
Got up very well. I got up early. I got up early. Dash a shower and dash
Have a
Took a shower.
shower.
Took a shower.
had
Had.
a shower and
Drank.
drank some coffee.
Drank some coffee.
I was too nervous to eat. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. I dash.
I thought
I thought.
I was looking very smart.
Now here, I looked very smart and I was looking very smart. Both will work.
I was looking.
Okay. Everybody, I looked very smart. I was looking very smart. Both will work. All right. I dash a suit and my best shoes. What will be the answer? Unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, V2 or I or A suit and my
Was wearing.
I beard a
I
suit.
was wearing a suit and my best shoes. वो तो पहन रहा था
Shoes.
एकदम से पहन के सो थोड़ी गया था कि उठ के चला गया. Of course, right?
okay, ma'am.
So I dashed to the bus stop and dashed for the bus. I
Walked.
Walked.
to the bus stop and
I was
Waited.
waiting.
I waited for the bus. यहाँ पे was waiting इसलिए नहीं आएगा because first of all I walked to the bus stop and I waited for the bus. फिर मैं उन वे बस का वेट कर रहा. हाँ. Okay.
वेट कर रहा था. मैम वेट कर रहा था.
हाँ, I tell you now. I walked. ठीक है. अब वहाँ पे खड़े होके I was waiting for the bus. But here the thing was that I walked to the bus stop and I waited. मैं bus stop पे क्या कर रहा था? I waited for the bus. The activity is waiting. Understood. But activity में कौन सी situation थी वो? Past थी ना? Past continuous की वो wait करता रहा. That is different. Wait कर रहा था. That is something different. Remember, wait करता रहा. I was waiting for you to come and meet me. That is different. I waited for the bus and it did come. That is different. So you cannot combine two natures together here. Wait करता रहा और wait कर रहा था. दोनों अलग हैं. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Now while dash, अब यहाँ क्या आएगा?
While was waiting.
Was waiting.
While I was waiting, I dashed that people.
I noticed.
Was looking. I noticed.
Noticed that people
were looking
at me.
in a strange way. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I dashed to ignore them.
I was
trying.
I was trying.
I tried. मैंने कोशिश करी उनको ignore करने की. I tried to ignore them, and when my bus
arrived.
I dashed on. I
Got on.
Got on.
dash a seat.
Found.
Found a seat. 30 minutes later, I dash at my office.
Arrived.
Just as I dashed the bus.
Was getting off the bus.
I got off the bus. जब आप got on कर रहे हो तो आप got off करोगे. आप getting off नहीं कर सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Use one form of the tense. I got off the bus. I dashed down and
Looked down.
that I
Realized.
Realized that.
I dashed shoes of different colors.
I weird.
Word कौन सा tense है भाई?
I was wearing.
I was wearing different pairs of shoes or different colors of whatever. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Coming on to the last exercise. What is the answer for first?
Yet.
I have you sent the letter.
Yet.
I haven't to the office.
I have dash seen Paul at the bus stop.
Just.
I have just seen Paul.
I
yeah.
have just.
Do you want me to get you a newspaper when I'm out? No, thank you.
I already.
Already or yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yet.
Already.
I have already.
Already
I
seen
have just read it online.
I've just read it online.
ठीक है?
Okay.
She is a great traveler. She's dashed been to most European countries.
Still.
Still,
Still?
Already.
Yes.
she's already
And now she is going to South America. Coming on to next, I am supposed to be going to an interview tomorrow, but I dash haven't had confirmation about the time.
Still.
Still.
Haven't? Very good. Do you want to work on an extra day tomorrow? No, thank you. I have dash come back from holiday.
All
I have.
just come back from holiday.
I have just.
Yes, very good. Just come back from holiday. Good. Understood, everybody? How do we do all this? Okay. Very quick. Very quick. This. Another very quick. What do you call it? Okay. Everyone look at the chat box. I don't know why I always get a complaint that you don't write the the feedback for the sessions. Please, everybody, Margaret cannot ask you again and again. In fact, you all already know my nature about this. So do write the feedback after you complete the section. I mean, after you complete the quiz. Okay. Margaret, I think she has already sent the yes to everybody. Sent the link. Do go on it. It will hardly going to take just 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe 5, perhaps. I don't know. So yes, do me this favor. Do it. Hurry up. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's discuss. When I was living in London, a strange thing dashed to me.
I had happened.
Happened.
I had happened मतलब? देव क्या हो गया है? देव I had happened कहाँ से आ जाएगा? अपने आप ही I had लगा दो.
Happened to me.
Happened, yes. At that time, I dash a job as a receptionist. I dash applied for the job before I dash in London, which dash made things a bit easy.
Had a job.
I had a
Had a
job.
job.
I had a job very well.
Applied.
Applied.
Past.
I applied.
I had applied before I arrived.
I had arrived.
I had applied for the job before I arrived.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
arrived in London, which made things a bit easier.
Yes, ma'am. मेरा सही है.
Good, बहुत अच्छी बात है आपका सही है. Okay. The hotel
Was in the center.
Hotel was in the center.
was in the center, but dash always busy.
And used to be.
It and was always busy. One day, as I dash,
I was working. I was working.
I was working. I was working.
I dash
Heard.
someone call my name.
I heard.
I
I
heard.
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 I heard someone call my name. The voice was familiar.
I thought.
I thought.
Yes,
I
I
heard it.
That I heard.
I had heard.
had heard it before.
Yes,
Heard.
ma'am. I had heard.
Before I looked up.
Looked up very well. Before I looked up and
Saw.
And saw my surprise.
my surprise that the person standing in front of me.
Was.
Very well. Okay. Clear, everybody? Any doubt,
Yes,
any questions? Any doubt, any questions?
And actually, one question I have.
Yes.
In some sentences, there are 2 or 3 sentences which are in the past. So as a like a, as a rule, when there are 2 sentences. So first sentence both are in the past. So first sentence we use past perfect, that is had, and in the second sentence that is past simple.
Akash, now unmute only yourself and then tell me exactly what you're trying to say. For example,
Sure, ma'am. Actually, there are like in this paragraph.
Which paragraph? At the time,
Ma'am, like in this at that time, right. So in this paragraph there are 3 or 4 sentences which are in the past. So normally, as a rule, what we do when we have 2 sentences in the past, so first sentence we use had, like past perfect, and the second is the simple past tense. Past perfect I'm talking. So like for example, there are 2 sentences. So as a rule, what we do, first sentence is a had past. Sure.
The thing is, there you will see, there is so less use of past perfect tense, because past perfect tense itself is a wrong tense. It is a wrong tense. I have had my dinner. I have my meetings. itself is a wrong tense. That is why all the professionals, whether you meet PhDs, whether you meet MD, whether you meet MDs, MADs, whatever, all the professors, all the professionals, they will say that the past perfect tense itself is a wrong tense. We hardly use it. Hardly we use it. For example, I had applied for the job. Already, the major rule is that two past tense cannot come together. Why can't we say I didn't received, despite of hearing it is absolutely correct, but when we speak, it's absolutely wrong. I didn't come to see you. I don't know what to do. Okay, I didn't come to see you because I don't know what to do. अब मैं आपके पास नहीं आ रहा because मुझे नहीं, I mean, see, it's a confusion. So what we do, we kind to break the sentences. In past tense, you will notice that whenever we write any sentence in English, we always put comma. Why? Because two sentences, whenever they collide, the tense changes and it becomes meaningless.
Right.
Okay, so there is this past perfect tense within it. It's pathetic. Okay, there is no such meaning. I have had my dinner or I had watched the television. No, I watched the television. Simple sense, but still we have the sense and we use it.
Right. But
Akash, please unmute yourself.
yeah, sorry, ma'am. Actually, what I am saying is that, but we do have this have had, like
Yeah.
I have had dinner, I had dinner also is correct.
Yeah.
Because normally we have this.
Not correct. We try to ignore this tense in usage, to be honest. We really try to ignore this tense to get into our usage, because what happens is we can really make the better sentences not using past perfect. Like, for example, I applied for the job yesterday. I applied, I waited for my interview call. I had applied is like बहुत time पहले किया था, then you can do it.
Right,
Like
right.
I had watched DDLJ long time. Okay.
Right.
Then it's fine. When you have a massive duration, occurrence in your sentence. Otherwise, simple present, because even if we speak in English,
Right.
even if we speak in English, we always try to use simple tenses, past, present, and future. हम कोई फॉर्मेशन भी सेंटेंसेस का बनाते हैं, we always try and note that it is totally be simple in tenses, whether you come up with, because see, if I talk about myself, if Shubhangi is talking to me, then she's saying, ma'am, I was working on this project yesterday, but I didn't complete it because I was tired, right? Now, when this simple sentence, how meaningful it is sounding to me, that she has used the correct form of sentences, she has used the correct form of the grammar, her fluency is there, and the structure formation is absolutely correct. Why to experiment with the sentences? Why to experiment with the tenses also? Right? For example, she could have said that I didn't complete my work because I was tired. This whole thing also makes sense, but previously I am getting to know I'm using more tenses in my sentence to make it more clear to the other person. अब now अगर आप past, present, past perfect tense use करोगे, so that will make a lot of, like, long time back I had saw you, so will that be like, oh, matlab now we are meeting after a decade or something? So no, we hardly use it. We try to ignore this sentence, this tense, and we try to make our sentences good with vocabulary and with simple tenses. That's all. because when we are using continuous tense, then it's frequently used. Continuous tense, simple tenses, these two, they are frequent users when we speak when we speak any language. So all these past perfect, present perfect tense, no, we hardly use it in our normal day-to-day conversations. If I'm totally I have designed my class in such a way where I'm teaching proper kids grammar, then automatically, as it's a part of the tense, I have to teach. You never know when the usage turns out to be resourceful to you. That information which I just told is resourceful to you. So that is how we connect with our tenses. All right. So hope the quiz was really helpful, right? You came to know what all things you lack in, how you really connect with the. I don't know. Abhishek is there. Abhishek is there in my class. No, he's not there. Okay. Moving on with the diary entries, I've been lately correcting your daily diary entries, right? I am seeing that you are not involving much of your activities. Shubhangi ki diary entries आना ही बंद हो गया है मेरे को. And I don't want that if you are describing your day, it should be dull, it should be tedious for me to read it. Like, no interesting activities. Like, kindly create your daily diary entries. For example, you get up early in the morning, you went out for running, and then you came back home, you prepared your meals. I cooked my meal, wahi घिसी पिटी लाइनें नहीं. Try to embrace your structure of the sentences in such a way that I prepared my meal. I was searching to make an interesting meal for me to make my day happy or jubilant, or something rejuvenated my mood because my friends came up. Like, do creativity in your daily diary entries. Don't just come up with normal daily diary entries that I woke up, I cooked food for myself, I did washing of my clothes. No, I did the laundry. I ironed my clothes after they went they go, they were okay, they were dry. All right. And moreover, however, use all these linkers to make it more connecting with the sentences. Use more vocabularies, use great structure of the sentences, which could be really helpful. Everybody knows my email ID, right? You can send me. I am giving you the feedbacks already. So just work on it, because right now you are definitely on the right track. It's just that I need to have more. I need you to get more influenced with your vocabulary too. It's not just grammar. Okay, vocabulary is also important. So, all right. So kindly send me the daily diary entries, and I will check it. I will let you know, because I think Abhishek didn't. I don't know. He's not there in the class. I don't know, because he sent me late at night and I checked it. I was like, no, he has, swapped the tenses badly. So, yeah, that is it. Any other doubts? Any other questions? Anybody?
Ma'am, we know that however we use in replacement of but word, but where to use moreover or other words to write in.
Moreover is used when you are adding something. Okay. I like this dress. Moreover, this will look good on me. Okay. For example, I have friends. No. For example, I eat. I am a food lover. Moreover, I like to drink also. So when you adding two things together, okay, you use moreover. However, we use in case of but, right? And because of, you already know when you have to provide a reason, okay. And
Furthermore,
when you are adding other pointers to your previous point, For example, I'm going to Agra. I am paying a visit to Taj Mahal. Then I described about journey. Furthermore, I would like to go to Jhansi. So therefore, henceforth means up say, right? Then you have therefore everybody knows. Nevertheless is how to explain it in Hindi. Nevertheless,
However, we can use. However.
However, in the case of but, every time you cannot use but. No, however, then nevertheless, how to like
Secondly.
nevertheless. Nevertheless, like all like how to say in Hindi, sab kuch same kind of, if I have to give you a meaning, then a sentence, then nevertheless is kind of an expression we use when we are kind of avoid surprise information. For example, nevertheless, he is a medical student and a teacher. So we are like avoiding surprises and something like that. I'm sorry, I just can't like. Nevertheless, I'll just make this. It's very when you
When we want to drift a sentence or other passage, in that case we use nevertheless.
Okay, all right. Nevertheless, is actually to add something surprising. Okay, to something contrast. For example, I am a teacher. Nevertheless, I am a student. Okay, then I am a teacher, but उससे भी उससे भी मतलब nevertheless I am a student. मतलब मैं teacher भी हूँ, मैं student भी हूँ. Nevertheless, I am a student also. Okay, and then you have what all things? Other linkers. But
Hi, Charu. I guess.
Send me the link once again, ma'am. Which link, Margaret? Somebody is asking. Redmi 5. I don't know.
Charu, I guess your voice is cracking in between when you are speaking.
Really? Nobody told me.
I thought that might be it's my place, but I have just checked. My place is good.
My place is also good.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ma'am, I'd like to ask one more question. Like, for example, when we talk about any past habit, so we have to, sorry?
Furthermore?
No, not furthermore. For example, if you talk about any past habit, so we have two kind of verbs which we normally use. First is used to, and second is would.
Yeah, would is future.
No, ma'am. Actually, normally when we say that I used to play when I was kid, I used to play. I would dance. So actually, when we use like 4 or 5 tenses in the past that reflects our past habit, then we use would also there. Like I used to play cricket. I would play dance. I would sorry. I would dance. I would like so many things. Like we add 4 or 5 things that time. So then we have only the connecting word like then or the after thereafter. So are there any other connecting words which we can use? Like one is then, second one is after that. Like for example, if I'm talking
Afterwards, subsequently, yeah, we have so many words already.
Right. So for the past also you can use these kind of connecting words. Right.
All right, so I'll see you on Monday, everyone. Margaret, you want to say something? Hello. All right. So I'll see you on Monday at 7:30.